This video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on your super chats, super thanks, and super sticker. Once you're monetized on YouTube, there are a lot of things that you're supposed to turn on, and some of those things include membership setup. It includes brand connect if you're in a country where brand connect is available. It includes super chats, super stickers, super thanks, and also your ad revenue aspect. And then the last thing you're supposed to turn on is your short videos, like your short feed, you understand? But this video is going to be specific on your super chats, super thanks, and super stickers. And someone actually dropped this comment for me because I asked a question. I said, if you want me to film a particular video for you, ask me what you want what you want me to film. And the person said, I want you to show me how to turn on super chats, super stickers, super thanks, and please, where are those money that you're going to be making from those places going to? Now, before I show you, let me explain a bit. Once you have super chats, super sticker, or super thanks, the first place it is going to appear, if it is super chat, it must be when you are on your live stream, when people super chat you, when people drop something for you. It simply means you have money there, you understand? Now, at the end of your live stream, you're going to be seeing how much you've been able to accumulate. YouTube is going to take, I think, 30% out of it and give you 70%. That's for super chats, okay, and super stickers. Then why for super thanks? Super thanks is specifically going to be from your videos. So take for example, you like this video and you saw super thanks in that place where you used to see share, comment, and the rest of that, and then you drop a super thanks. You are going to get what you are. I'm going to see it in my YouTube studio. I will just attach a super thanks from one of my subscribers. Okay, so this is the super thanks that she dropped for me, and I'll see it on the end of my YouTube studio, which is if you click on the monetization, not monetization, if you click on the bell icon, which is this bell icon that I'm showing you guys, you're going to see it there. And now once you see it there, automatically YouTube will add it up to your revenue. So everything you get from super chat, super stickers, super thanks, they are going to be included in your revenue. So that is why you cannot see them separately. Now, if you want to see them separately, you're going to go to the desktop version of your YouTube studio, click on analytics, and then you're going to see, click on revenue, then check, you will see watch paid ads, super thanks, super stickers. YouTube will break it down for you how you make money from YouTube step by step. You understand? That is where you can see it. Now, let's go directly to how we can actually turn it on so that it will be active on our channel. So let's go there, guys. So guys, for you to turn it on, you go to your YouTube studio. You can go to the desktop version of your YouTube studio or any part of your YouTube studio. Right now you can see you're a YouTube partner, and this is how yours is going to be if you're a YouTube partner. Then you click on this earning sign. You can see that is on the earning sign already. Now you're going to see membership, supers. So what you need to do now is to click on supers, and if you click on super, you can see there's a strengthen connections with your fans. Okay, super chat, super stickers, and super thanks help you engage with your community and feel supported. With super, you can earn each time fans buy a highlights and unlimited messages. You understand? Have a strong loyal community and the rest of that. And all you need to do now, you can see they say turn on. So you click on turn on. If you click on turn on, they are going to bring out this rules and regulation where you are going to read. Please, it is important you read from one step to another. YouTube will pay you 70% of commence revenue. You guys can see that if anything you get, YouTube will take 30% and give you 70%. You understand? So if you give me $100, for example, as a super chat or super thanks, YouTube will take 30 and they will give me $70. So you can check the pricing, promotions, and every other stuff. So after you are able to read this bit by bit, you can also check this their indemnity and the rest of that. Then you can now click OK. Yes, I agreed, and then you click on accept. And then once you click on accept, you are good to go. Your super chat and your super thanks is activated. You can see here they said what? Turn off super thanks. No, you don't need to turn it off. Right now it is turned on, and that is also, you can now go back. You can see that right now the only things that is left for me to turn on is what? My membership. And someone already requested that I do a video about membership, and of which I'm definitely going to use the opportunity and do a video for you guys about membership as well. Okay, now if you go to your videos, now let's go to my video. For example, let's go to Life of Vibe with Sonia. So if you go to Life of Vibe with Sonia now, let's click on this video. For example, I like it. It's mine.
you can see that these are the places you're going to be seeing the tanks. You can see the tanks here, the super tanks, and of which if you click it, it's going to show you how much do you want to give. Is it 1,000? Is it 2,000? So if you're watching this video, please super thanks me and I'll be so grateful. Okay, so you can just go ahead and super thanks any amount you want to super thanks, and that is it. This is how you can activate it, and I've already said where you're going to find all of your super chat and your super thanks. So let's go back to this video so that we can round up with this beautiful and amazing video.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this is very, very helpful. Let me know if you want me to film any particular video for you. My job here is for me to film a video for you as you're requesting. And I hope to all of you looking for how to turn on super chats, super stickers, and where this money is actually going to, I hope this video is able to answer your question. If you have not subscribed, please do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop in your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, this is where we come into display, where I personally go into your YouTube channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that you can have a successful YouTube account. A lot of people personally tell me that, Bible Sonia, I just go into my YouTube channel to check if the YouTube studio settings and every other stuff is okay. Check if what I'm doing is even right or wrong. So you can also be among those ones requesting that. All you need to do is to check these flyers that is displaying on the screen. And if you have not even built channel at all, you don't even have any video, you've not even created, you don't even know your left and right, and you want a personal coaching, this is where I also help you build it from scratch, so that at the end of the day, you are going to be making money on YouTube. With this same flyer displaying on the screen and with the mail you're seeing attached here, fitonoja3195@gmail.com, and send us a mail and we are good to go. Anyways, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye. And I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.